Hi everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. How are you doing? I straightened out my yarn, I don't know how many months ago, putting everything in order by brand. It worked for me. But now that it's the end of May and it's getting pretty hot here in central Canada, so I need to find my 1 and 2 weight yarn. I know I have some behind some of these containers here, these baskets that I got from Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna just go through my yarn here. Oh, and by the way, I'm gonna be pulling some out for a giveaway, but there won't be a giveaway in this video. It'll be in the near future. 3, 2, 1, here we go. I should have put cotton over here so I can reach it. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Are you still watching me? Goes up there somewhere. Oh, look at it. Okay. Kubu's, those are all threes. These are all three. Eight. What size is this? That's a 2. And that one was a what? It says a 1. I don't know. Okay. Okay. Okay, so these are 3. I think they're 3. They are 3. There's right there. I see a number. It says 3. That's a too fine. This is a Rhapsody. Hobby Lobby RB. Nope, Rapology. 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 Probably too far away. These are 2 or 3. Oh, they're so hard to read. Why are they writing so small? It's a 3. I have a lot of 3 weight. I didn't realize I had so much 3 weight. That's a 4. That is a 4. Soft and sleek. Soft. Oh. Okay. These are 3. That's it. Too right. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah. Don't do that. This one's cotton, is it not? This one's cotton. Oh, you go up there. How come I threw you in here? Oh, wait, you're 3 weight. The weight. I didn't record the last part of my organizing because my camera got hot. Well, I used the camera on my phone. It got hot. The battery was down to about 20%, so I just shut it off, let it cool down, and then charged it. But here is the end result. Please excuse me if I'm a little out of breath. I just got off the treadmill. I've been trying to go on there. You know, we sit down too much or too long when we're crocheting. So I've been trying to go on the treadmill. We have one in the basement here, so I have no excuses. All right, so let's get back into this. Okay, so the way I ended up organizing my yarn is I put all my 4-weight yarns on the very top shelf. Right at the end, there's a couple of 5-weight, and there might even be a 6-weight. All right, so right here is all my 4-weight in cotton. And then starting the next spot and all the way to almost the end to right here is my 4-weight in acrylic blends, whatever it may be. So this is all my 4-weight on this shelf, except for a little bit of 5-weight, yes, maybe a 6. Okay, so next shelf. All of this, and there's some in behind here as well. These are all my 3-weight, except for this guy here. Just ignore him right now. This is all my 3-weight. I was buying a lot of 3-weight lately because I didn't think I had that much. But I have a lot of 3-weight. Okay, so over here is my cotton, bamboo, cotton blends in 3-weight. That's all my cotton stuff and cotton blends. And then we start over here. These are all 3-weight, but in acrylic or acrylic blends. Like the container behind there, the one behind this one. All these. All 3-weight acrylic blends. Okay, so down here. I'm kneeling on the bed right now. What we have here is we have some more 3-weight. Yes, we do. More 3-weight. It wouldn't, where am I here? It wouldn't fit all on that shelf. If I move the fan, maybe, but I need that fan. Okay, so these are all, oh, right here. These are all 3-weights, acrylic blends. Again, some in the back, bunch here, 3-weight acrylic blends. This basket, and there's one behind it, is all my 1-weight and 2-weight cottons, acrylic blends, everything. 1-weight and 2-weight. Oops. 1-weight and 2-weight. And that's some fancy fluffy yarn back there. And then I do have one more row here. Yeah, these are 3-weights as well, acrylic. But I didn't have room to put them up there. But they're right there. They're still in the bags. They're cool. That is scrap yarn. I was trying to use up a lot of that, making blankets. Yeah, it's still pretty full. But I've made one blanket. Paper crafting supplies, which I don't do very often anymore. There's some yarn in here. There's some fiber, like the stuffing for amigurumis and whatever in there. So yeah, this is it. I think it's going to help me for summer, especially because I've put all my summer yarn on this side over here because and the small weight yarn on this side, the right side, because the bed is right here. I can stand on the bed to reach them. I had first put all my this cotton yarn on this side for some reason. But if you go down here, my bed ends right here. So then I had to move that. Move the cotton over here. So yeah, so this is it. I think this is going to work well for me, especially for summer months. And you know what? Even for winter months now, I think this is going to be good, organizing it by weight. What do you guys think? How do you guys organize your yarn? And the way you have it right now, is it helpful for you, or do you plan on changing it? All right, thank you everyone so much for watching.